Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mike, this is my brother Ameer. We're actually here today to deliver some appliances to these brand new construction townhomes. And the list of appliances that we have is a total of 6 pieces. We're actually bringing a full-size refrigerator, a gas stove, a dishwasher, a countertop microwave, a range hood, along with an extension kit. So stay tuned and let's make this happen. All right guys, so that was number 5. So we have 5 units. As you can see, we broke a little sweat, but here's the building all the way down. This is the 5th unit. We've gotten all the sets upstairs. We did a different variation. Some stuff we took up, we carried up. Some stuff we used the straps, but we definitely got our workout in for today, that's for sure. And this is the last thing we're gonna do. How do you feel?
Let's go get some food.
Yeah, we're about ready for some food. All right guys, so not that our workout wasn't enough delivering all these 5 sets, but now it's time to finish it off with a bang. We're gonna see who can do the most push-ups. Let's do this. Let's go.
Here we go.
Ready?
Your face.
Let's do it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, I'm dying, 20, let's go man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many you got? 5 more? 5 more? 5 more, let's go. 1, 2. Two more, let's go. 4, 5.
You gotta beat him. One last one.
I'm dead. We done. Loser pace. I guess I got beat. Couldn't do it.